students, I welcome you to the lecture series on practical DBMS, where we are trying to execute different SQL commands in our Oracle DBMS. So, our today's lecture will be focusing on the insert all statement. Well, in the last lecture, you have seen that how we have inserted one row at a time. Now, with this insert all statement, our aim will be to insert multiple rows with single insert command. Okay, so the Oracle insert all statement is used to insert multiple rows with a single insert statement, and you can insert the rows into one table or multiple tables by using only one SQL command. Now, the syntax for insert all statement is this one. Insert all into table name, column 1, column 2, column 3, say you have column 4, like that. And then values as per the way you are using this column 1, column 2, mean the manner should be, sequence should be same. So expression 1, comma, expression 2 up to expression n. Then say second row into table name, column 1, column 2, column n, values expression 1, expression 2, expression n, and as many as number of rows you want to insert, you can write in that way. And this should be ended with one important statement, that is select all from dual, and with this only you can execute this statement successfully. Means insert all beginning from here to end it with select all from dual. Okay, so dual. Selecting from the dual table, what does it mean? Dual is a table that is being automatically created by Oracle database along with the data dictionary. You should note it down. Okay, so dual is a table automatically created by Oracle database along with the data dictionary. Dual is the schema of the user SYS, the user that I'm currently using. Okay, SYS. But you should note that it is accessible by the name dual to all users. It has one column dummy and defined to be var character to 1 and contains one row with a value x. Okay, so it is also very important that dual has one column dummy defined to be var character to 1 and contains only one row with a value x. So coming to the practical session, now we are trying to insert into say supplier 1's SUP1 table. So first open your Oracle. So see, this is our SQL command box. Now, as I did not have a table like as supplier 1 as UP1, so I have created just one table with the name supplier 1 and with the attributes SID, SName, SAddress, where I have set SID as number, SName as the var character 2, size is 15, and SAddress as the var character 2 of size 15. So we have created this table. Let's see the outline of the table. You have seen this, that you have three columns. Okay, now we are going to use this insert all statement. See, insert all into supplier 1 SID as name as the address. You don't need to write this, means SID as name as the address, if you want to insert the values to all the columns. Okay, so you can skip this portion. You can directly rewrite like that: insert all into supplier 1 values 09 Bajaj Delhi, whatever the values you want to put. So let's execute this statement. So you have seen that successfully executed and three rows inserted. In the previous case, we have inserted only one row with the insert into command. Now insert all statement helps us to insert as many as rows we want. So let's see that whether they have successfully inserted or not. Just to ensure it, you can see the table values which select all from the table name is as a supplier one. Okay. So execute this. See, SID, as name, as address, and then 9, 10, 11, Bajaj, Honda, Hero, and then as address, Delhi, Gurgaon, and Bombay. Okay, so as it is, we have inserted, the value is being inserted, and it is being displayed with the select all statement. So guys, you see that what is the advantage of using the insert all statement? Because we can insert as many rows we want with this at a single insert statement. Okay, so coming to the today's question. Today's question is, what is dual in our insert all statement and what values it contains? So repeating the question again, what is dual in our insert all statements and what values it contains and why we are using dual here? Okay, why we are using dual in insert all statement. So comment your answer, I'll check them, and don't skip the practical. Okay, utilize your time, utilize this. Okay, that will help you to understand the basic there means how to deal with the different SQL commands in the Oracle. So don't skip the practical. I'm repeating again, and don't skip the question also. I'll check each of your answer in the comment box. So meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.